Okay, I hope everyone can see me now. Sorry for the delay. So I have some students. So it's
Okay, I
Shiv
hope
Madan.
everyone can see me now.
Sorry for the delay. So I have some students. Okay, so I have Harshit with me. I have Alok, Reva Devi. That's Nilakshi. Okay, so you all can call your friends very fast. Okay, so this is a small video I would like to just play. Okay, so yes, welcome students. So it's very nice. So how are you all doing? So I think I have Harshit. Hi Harshit. I have Ayushi, Nilakshi. Alok is telling. Hi Nilakshi, how are you? So I would just write. So yes, welcome to the exponents basics class. So I would say basics class. Hi Nilakshi, how are you? Yes, I could see you. Yes. Yes, thank you Ayushi so much. Thank you for 100 plus. Yes, it's because all of your love, and as I promised that I would be coming live, so I thought today is the very good day to come live for you all, since I had 100 plus subscribers today only, and I could, yes. So thank you so much. And yes, so today we will be learning exponents. So where I will be teaching you some laws, basics, very simple. So I hope you all know that, but still I would be helping you to refine your knowledge. So do you all know what is exponents? You can just tell me through comment box, yes, no or not. So yes, I think you all have learned exponents. Okay, so yes, let us start learning. So today, as you know, so in exponents, it is all about power and base. So when I'm talking about base and power, so this is suppose A and this is N. So when I consider N, this is called power and A is called base, students. Multiple of same number, Ayushi has said. Yes, Ayushi, you are totally right. Uh, it's so Nilakshi is saying that she does not know what is exponents. No worries, Nilakshi. I can help you. So yes, base, and it is multiple of the number where it is going. So if I write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, suppose if I write this, so can you tell me what can be the answer? Fast, in the exponents form. I think in class 7 you must have studied exponents. So how can you represent this expanded form of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 in the exponent form? Let's see, wait, who can answer fast. Eight is the answer. No, eight is not the answer. The answer is uh, the answer will be 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, and 8 into 2 16. So basically it is written as 2 to the power of 4. So when we write, so when I'm writing 2 to the power of 4, so that is only it is said that this 4 is called, no, it's not 32 Ayushi, it is 16. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So 2 to the power of 4, where 4 is the power, so 4 is the power, 2 is the base. I hope you all know that, isn't it? Okay, so let's see some more thing. Okay, so let me keep this. Okay, so tell me the value of, so I'm asking you, let's see who can answer fast. Value of minus 2 to the power of 3. Hi Shreya, how are you? Welcome to the class. So a good thing is that yes, we can have, I think, some Menti. I hope so, but let's see. So you all can call your friends. You can just share them this link. Still, I think only 4 is watching, and yes, I think more students can watch. Okay, so what is the value of? Okay, so yes, it's nice to hear that you're fine. So what is the value of minus 2 whole cube? सर अभी तक कितना पढ़ाया है? Not very much, Shreya. It's very much simple. What is exponents? Nilakshi is telling me minus 8. No, Nilakshi, it's mine. Ayushi is telling minus 6. And no, actually, Nilakshi, you are right. Yes, Nilakshi is right. It's minus 8 is the correct answer. So I was just trying to confuse you all, and you didn't get confused. So सही, अच्छा बात है ना कि आप लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं हो रहे हो. Okay, so now let's see what I can ask more. Okay, so let me ask value of 2 by 3 to the power of minus q. So now with this type of sums I will be explaining you the simple properties, the basic properties जो आज कोर्स का स्ट्रक्चर है. So till then I would like every one of you to answer, and I hope I will just share the link of the classes. I think maybe some can join. Okay, you got confused. No, no, it's don't get confused, Ayush, Nilakshi. Ayushi is telling 3 by 2 whole cube. So I think that is your problem. Okay, yes, you can write it in that way. Yes, Ayushi, you are totally right. 3 by 2 whole cube. Yes, you are not wrong. So yes, you are in the correct step. So to the power of minus q. Okay, so this is one property which I would like to explain you all, and that property is a to the power a by b, suppose, to the power of n. So you can write it as a to the power of n, b to the power of n. And one more thing, when I am explaining you with that a to the power of minus n is 1 upon a to the power of n. So this is one example which we can move on and we can try. So this is the property which you have to always remember. How can we do it? So think, as I have explained you this property, कि a to the power of minus n होता है 1 by a to the power of n. So now यहाँ पे एक फ्रैक्शन है जो जिसका पावर है माइनस क्यू या -3. सो अब आप उसको कैसे करोगे? Understood? Okay, so you can tell me the answer. Let's see who can answer fast. So those who are not able to understand, or those who are getting little bit understand, don't worry. I am just asking you these questions so that you all can just try. But do not worry, I will be getting you all with some more base laws where you all can understand. I will write the laws. I will write each of the laws with you so that you all can understand. यहाँ 1 के प्लेस में 3 न्यूमरेटर होगा. यस, करेक्ट. यहाँ पे वो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 2/3 होल टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस क्यूब का मतलब हो जाएगा, इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ 3/2 होल क्यूब, क्योंकि ये माइनस है. सो व्हाई एम आई राइटिंग दिस? सो देखिए 1/2/3 होल क्यूब है, उसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ 3/2 होल क्यूब, क्योंकि ये बेसिकली कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ रेसिप्रोकल होता है स्टूडेंट्स. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 क्यूब अपॉन 2 क्यूब. अब आई थिंक यू ऑल कैन टेल मी द आंसर फास्ट. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? सो आयुषी इज टेलिंग न्यूमरेटर ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर बना देता है, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर. रेसिप्रोकल, बिल्कुल सही आयुषी, बिल्कुल आप सही बोले हैं. सो यस, सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 3 क्यूब अपॉन 2 क्यूब. आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट टोल्ड यू द आंसर. ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, आंसर ही बता दिया मैंने तो. सो देखते हैं, चलिए अब तो आंसर बता दो स्टूडेंट्स. So what will be the answer? Three cube upon 2 cube. Anyone? No one is telling the answer. So it is 27 upon 8. So 27 upon 8 is will be the answer. Yes, correct Shreya, you have written it correct. It is 3/2 whole cube, which is 27. I think you all are not able to see what I have written. It's somehow getting vanished. Sir, from when you started coming live? Harsh is asking. Harsh, I started coming live from today. Harsh Singhal, very much I started from today only. Okay, so yes, now students, you all can concentrate because I am writing the laws of exponents. Each what are all the basic laws of exponents? Either you can write it, or you can always, this video will be there, so you all can make a note of it. So the first thing, so the first law which we can, so we all understood a by b to the power of m into a by b to the power of n. So anyone who can tell me? So you didn't get notification because this is not from Unacademy. This is, I have started my own. So this is my own notes, Harsh, own channel which you have started. So you can click on the bell icon for the notification. Subscribe the channel, Harsh, and click on the like button. Everyone, those who have joined, please call your friends. It's totally free. It's not that you will be charged anything. बिल्कुल free है, so that I could help you all, and I totally like you all teaching, so that's why I have started this. Yes, one student has answered, that's Ayushi. Okay, Shreya has also answered. Yes, very good. So the thing is that जब भी base same होंगे और powers different है, तो उनके powers add हो जाते हैं students. Very good. So जो when base is same and powers are different, you all can add it. Very good. So yes, so a by b to the power of m plus n. Okay, so we have hello Harsh. Hi Harsh. Okay, so can we take an example and understand? So let us take an example of this one. Suppose we have 2 by 3 2 by 3 cube and 2 by 3 square. So can you tell me the answer now? Because it goes with the same law. We have Chavi. Yes, Chavi. सर ये आपने पढ़ाया है इसलिए आता है. Yes, I think I have taught where I was teaching previously, but yes, again, because class 7, class 8. I will not talk about Harsh, because let's start a new chapter. New chapter means that new thing where I'm teaching here now. So yes, you all can join me, and yes. Okay, so yes, you all are right. Very good. Congratulations. You have made it to the first part. Yes, so 2 by 3 to the power of 3 plus 2, which is 2 by 3 to the power of 5. So can you, anyone who can tell me the final value? If I open the bracket, what will be the answer I will be getting? Anyone? Then I will be moving to the different law. So please take concept classes of IIT Foundation. Okay, I will try Harsh. I will see the book, because I have not attempted IIT, because I have not done IIT, but I will still try to gather the maths of it, and I will try to teach you all. So what will be the final value? Yes, I have seen Harsh, your message. Okay, yes, very good. Someone has. Class 7. Okay, I can teach that much. Yes, I can teach Harsh. Okay, I will bring the foundation. So don't worry. Yes, let me make just now I have started, so it will take little bit time. So have patience, Harsh, but very soon you will see the class. So don't lose your patience. More good things will be coming up. Okay, so yes, Ayushi Revo wrote 32 by 81. Shreya is telling me 32 by 243. So which one is right? 32 by 243 is the right answer. Well, Harsh, you will get to know. I will inform in the different Telegram groups. So those who are new and those who are watching and will come, just to tell you that in the description I have given a Telegram group where you can join that group through link, and you all can I can give my classes schedule, whatever is going through, new updates, everything. So it would be very nice, correct? Chalo. Now let's go to the next property. So the next property is, yes, Shreya is right. So a by b to the power of m divided by a by b to the power of n. So देखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन बहुत एक तरह से आप देखोगे तो एक ऐसा है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन एक तरह का होता है, और डिवीजन और सब्ट्रैक्शन एक तरह का होता है. सो एक्सपोनेंट्स में अगर बेस सेम होते हैं और पावर्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, तो हम लोग, और जब दोनों बेस को हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पावर के साथ, तो हम लोग उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं पावर्स को. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं a बाई बी to the power of m minus n. Very simple, correct? So let us take an example and see. So can you all tell me? Okay, so the same base I am keeping, just the powers I will change, divided by 2 by 3 to the power of 2. So this one it is. Okay, so yes, this answer will be same or different. So we will have, I think, if correct, so 2 by 3 to the power of 7 minus 2, which is 2 by 3 to the power of 5, which is 32 upon 243. So we will have the same answer, same thing, just I have changed the sign and little bit powers, correct? Okay, so I think only two students are very much participating, that's Ayushi and Shreya. Okay, so now let us see some different type of sums. So I hope you all want to try. Then we will go to the different property. Let us see this type of sum, where the sum is 3 by 8 to the power of minus 2 multiplied with 4 by 5 to the power of minus 3. Can you all try? So this is very much similar, but there is nothing but yes, you all please try, and please share this class link to your friends. Class 8 friends, 7 also can join. Anyone who wants to learn exponents can join. Yes, Ayushi, you are right. It is 8 by 3 whole cube. 8 by 3 whole cube, or just check your numbers. You are missing something with the numbers. So you have written 8 by 3 whole square. Yes, you are right. It is 8 by 3 whole square, because we know this property a to the power of minus n is 1 by a to the power of n. So this is the property. So yes, you are right. 8 by 3 whole square multiplied with 5 by 4 whole cube. Okay, so what will be the final answer? Please calculate and tell me. Okay, so Ayushi has written one answer. Let's wait. Shreya has also written one answer. Any other student? Okay, so Ayushi is asking sir whether I'm correct. So let us start with the numerator. Garima has also written. We have Garima Anand. Hi Garima, how are you? So yes, 125 by 9 is totally the right answer. So all three girls you have done correctly, Shreya, Ayushi and Garima. Very good. So yes, 125 by 9. Okay, so now just I will add some slides. Sir, it is Netri. Okay, hi Netri, welcome. Okay, so the next law, it says that the third law, that A by B. So please check, there is some difference A by B, and if I write it like this. So anyone? Okay, hi Netri. Sorry, I misspelled your name. I didn't knew that it is Netri, because I'm coming after a long time. So I'm not in very touch with you all. So you are teaching on Unacademy Lakshmi Vijaya. Uh, Currently, I am not teaching Lakshmi, but I have started teaching over here. That's my own channel Lakshmi. So you can subscribe, press the bell icon and the share button, like button. So where I will be taking now classes every day, one live class. Okay, she's also new. Okay, so but okay, that's nice. So a by b to the power of m, and that's n. So can you all think what can be the answer? What does the rule say? So the rule says कि जो a by b है, the powers get multiplied. So when this type of conditions come, when we have same base and we have the no, you're not wrong Ayushi, you're totally right. The powers get multiplied. So it is written in this way: 8 by b to the power of m into n, which is a by b mn. Yes, you are totally right. Yes, this is the correct way to write. So yes, a by b to the power of m into n, that's 8 by b to the power of mn. So okay, let's do one sum related to that. So the sum is minus 3 by 2. So with each property, whatever different sums we can do, I will be doing with you all. Okay, so minus 3 by 2 whole square and outside it is minus 3. So this is the sum. Sir, I am wrong. No, see, what you have done is you have just missed the brackets Netri, nothing else. So you have to just be little bit careful with the brackets. Yeah, you could have just placed a brackets in front of A and B. You are not wrong. You have to just put the brackets. You are totally right. So brackets represents in a better way, so where we don't get confused and all. So which math, Ayushi is asking which math book is best in NCERT, RD or RS? See, RD, RS or a book NCERT, you can see NCERT is just the syllabus you can follow, but more variety of sums, Ayushi, it is there in RD and RS. And if you want more, you can follow ML Agarwal also. These RD, RS Agarwal and ML Agarwal, all these three are very good books to follow. Okay, so anyone with the answer of this question, which is minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so what will be the final value? So what will be the final value, do you think? So yes, Garima, you are right. You have written totally correct. Minus 3 by 2, that's you have just missed the power sign. Minus 3 by 2 to the power of 6 is your right answer. It's to the power of minus 6. So be careful with that. It should be to the power of minus 6. Minus 3 by 2 to the power of minus 6. Shreya, you have to check. You have done it correct, but you have doing something wrong with the sign. Yes, it's minus 6 to the power of minus 6 it will be. You are correct, Ayushi. So the link, Netri, the link is given in the description, the Telegram group. You can join that and you can always follow my classes. So you will be able to get to know all about my classes. Yes, correct, Netri. Yes, it is minus 6. Yes, Ayushi, you are right. So it is minus 2 by 3 to the power of 6. So what will be the final answer? Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of 6. Uh, Ayushi and Shreya, you both have done the same mistake. So see very carefully, minus 2 to the power of 6 upon 3 to the power of 6. So minus 2 to the power of 6 का मतलब होता है minus 2 is getting multiplied 6 times. So your minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which will help you to get it not minus 64, but it will be 64 upon 729. Okay? Is it fine? So I hope you must have understood. Okay, so let's go on to the next property. The next property says the next property, it is A by B multiplied with C by D to the power of n. Yes, minor mistake, but it is a mistake, so avoid that. So when we have different base and multiplied with the same power, what happens? You can separate them. So you can write the each fraction in this way. So we can write, so see very carefully, I am writing it in the purple. So a by b to the power of n multiplied with c by d to the power of n. So when it is telling that, what you can do is you have separate the base, but the power remains the same. Okay, so which makes the work very easy when you have this type of sum. Okay, so related to this, I have one question you all can try to solve. So I'm writing it in the different color so that you all can understand. So the question is minus 1 by 4 multiplied with minus 3 by 2 to the power of 2. So let's see whether you all can answer or not. So when you have different base, and the different base is getting multiplied, it's in a one bracket, and the power and their power is same, so then you can separate the base, so you can perform them separately. It is very easy for this type of sum, you can do manually, but when it comes to very large number, it becomes very easy when we separate it. Neither we just go and multiply the two base. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि बेस को साथ में मल्टीप्लाई करना जब नंबर्स बहुत बड़े हों स्टूडेंट्स, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Okay, so anyone, what's the answer? 9 by 32. So we have Happy Sharma. Hi Happy, how are you? Welcome to the class. So yes, it's 9 by 32. Are you sure? Please check. It is 3 by 8. So if I do, it will be 3 by 8 whole square. So Ayushi, you have to check. Hi Happy, how are you doing? Welcome to the class. Nice to see you in the live class after a long time. So it will be 3 square upon 8 square, that is, so it will be 3 square upon 8 square. What is the answer? So we have to multiply by 2 to both numerator. It's a square rather than multiply. You have to get into the power. So it will be minus 1 by 4. So if you go stepwise, you have to do it in this way. So I am doing it for you. So it will be helpful. So when you solve it, it will come as 1 by 16 into 9 by 4, which is 9 by 64. So what is the value of 9 by 64? You all can try, and yes, I think it remains 9 by 64 only, not 3 by 32, Shreya. It is 9 by 64. So it will be 3 square upon 8 square. So I think you all are getting confused. Okay, so let me, sir, is this a law? Yes, this is a law. So this one is a law. That's why that's what I said, Shreya, that when we have the same base and the power is different, when we have the base is different and the power is same, you can separate the base and give the power same thing. Okay. Okay, so now let us see. I think so. Do we have more law? Let us check. I don't think so. Very well, I have explained you all the laws. So yes, I think that's. I think I have explained you more or less all the laws. There is nothing more law left. So what we can do is, so the next section, what I can do is, I can bring to you all with some uh, solution classes with some like different books solutions. Okay, and we can solve over there. If you will all have doubts, you can please get in touch in that group. If you have doubts, join that group, or you can always yes. Okay, thank you so much, Ayushi. Yes, a to the power of 0 is 1. Yes, anything. Okay, Shreya, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we have to multiply, it's that we have to square it, Netri. The better term of multiply you could use is square it, because 2 is in the power. So that means it will be 3 square upon 8 square. So in this way you can square it. The rule says square. When I say the power, power का मतलब होता है either 2 square, 3 cube, 3 to the power of 4, I say. So this is the way I tell, Netri. Okay, so thank you so much, students, for joining this class. It was very nice to see you all, and I would be surely taking more and more classes. But yes, please share these classes to all your friends and friends. Tell them to join. These classes are for you all only. I will get into different classes also, and it will help you all. So thank you so much and take care. Bye bye. Stay safe and enjoy. So thank you, students. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share button and the bell icon. So don't forget that, and welcome to Learner's Curve. So this is my channel's name is Learner's Curve, where all the aspects of learning will be there. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.